Hey gems, it's your girl MissJemima and we are back at it again with another video. So today's video is going to be a shower / hygiene routine for those sneaky link nights, okay? Maybe for Valentine's Day, maybe for, you know, a little situation, but also it can just be a self-pampering night. Now, disclaimer, you do not have to do this full routine from beginning to end to achieve soft skin and vibes, okay? You absolutely do not have to. But, you know, I just figured I'd show y'all the full rundown of the routine so you guys can pick and choose what it is that you want to incorporate. Now, this is my Wap Smoothie, baby. This is my cooter juice, okay? I'm starting off with coconut water because hydration and electrolytes. Child, you finna be working out. You need to stay hydrated, all right? Now we're throwing in some probiotics because we need that gut health. What it's going to do is add good bacteria into your flora, good bacteria into your system, and it is super effective if you have issues with BV. Like, girl, taking those probiotics will help you prevent that, okay? Adding some turmeric because I need all the anti-inflammatory help I can get because my knees, child. Help my knees, I need it, okay? I will have all the links for everything that you want, everything that you desire in the description bar below. Adding some crushed ginger because y'all know ginger's good for you. Look, oh, who's bling blinging me? Listen, at the end of the day, wellness is the goal. So we're adding in additional ingredients that will help us to achieve wellness. Now we're also adding in this little tropical blend, and I like this especially because it has pineapple in it. Y'all know what they say about pineapple, baby. Pineapple making that thing taste good, okay? So I said, let me throw some pineapple in there. We're gonna throw in some spinach because eat your veggies. Eat your vegetables, okay? It's important to stay healthy overall. Eat your vegetables, darn it. Put them in there. Now we're adding cranberry tea into this mix, and I just throw in literally the entire tea sachet. And if you guys didn't know, cranberry is really good at maintaining a healthy urinary tract. All right, listen, we don't want no UTIs. We're not playing with y'all. Adding in some slippery elm because while it has a host of benefits, one of the main benefits is that it keeps that guar juiced up and lubricated, okay? And we like lubrication. We like moisture and hydration, baby. Okay, it's essential to having a good time, okay? We're gonna blend that up all together, and it's a nice, refreshing, not too sweet drink. I'm not gonna lie, I flexed a little bit for this video, but I normally would do half the coconut water and then add more water and a little bit more spinach. But I was like, you know, it might be a little too earthy for the world, so I did the whole thing, and it just has the right amount of sweetness, and it's just super refreshing. Love that. Okay, drink, sis. I know they say water's great for you, but you know, a little extra help from the little Wap Smoothie cooter juice never hurts anybody. Now moving on to the bathroom portion, we are going to go in with the Skin Fix body scrub, and I love this scrub because not only does it have a physical exfoliant, but it also has chemicals in there to kind of help break up that dead skin, honey, keep that skin nice and soft. So I like to use this on my drier, more coarser areas, like my elbows. I like to use it on my cheeks, okay, on the back of my thighs, because you guys know you get a lot of friction from sitting in chairs. My knees, child, okay, my feet. Oh, now you specifically have to use this before you get in the shower, so that's why you see me doing it on dry skin. Baby, this thing gonna get you right, honey. It's gonna get you right and tight. So I like to apply this before I hop in the shower. But oh, hey girl, hey. So disclaimer for this next portion, I have very thick skin, so I like to go in with a lot of exfoliating products, so please keep in mind that this is not for everybody. Please take what you want from this, okay? So first things first, in the shower, I like to wash my hair and get all that products, any moisturizers, any oils out of my scalp, honey, because I want my head to smell good so I can be laid up under his chin, child, on his chest. And then I'll wash my face. I'm not really gonna go into my skincare routine, just do whatever you do, but it's important to wash your face after your hair so that you're not only washing off the oil and any makeup residue and any of that, but you're also getting rid of that product that you wash out of your hair that's not on your skin, okay? Now we're gonna go in with the body, period, the body yaddy yaddy, And y'all know, if y'all watched any of my hygiene routines before, I swear by my African net. I'll have the link below. You stop playing with the kid, y'all know what it is. And I'm using my native body wash. Now, when I first tried this body wash, I was a little underwhelmed. I was like, there's nothing special about it. Like, I don't really know what the hype is. But I really grown to enjoy it. Like, it's just so natural and crisp and simple. Like, it's simple and it doesn't irritate sensitive skin. Like, I've really been enjoying it lately. Even the fragrance is very light and refreshing. Like, it's just really great for when you just want a simple cleanser that'll get the job done without overly drying out your skin, but you still feel clean. It is a really nice body wash. So I don't know if I was playing myself before, but sis, I'm definitely a native body wash fan now. Go ahead, girl. One thing about me, I'm either gonna have a video playing on YouTube, on Netflix, or have some music playing. Okay, period. So if you see me dancing and jamming, baby, that's what it is. Now, I heard some of y'all don't like to wash your legs. I don't know what's going on. But I said, let me add this clip, because maybe y'all know how to do it. I don't know what the problem is, but wash your motherfucking legs, okay? Please. Now, one of the highlights of the African net is that you can extend it to wash your back. Wash your back. Y'all know what's gonna get licked up, stopped up, kissed up. Listen, wash your back. Get in between the rolls. Okay, period. Get into the crevices. Make sure your back is clean. Nobody wants to taste no salty skin. That's nasty. Now, I like to go in with yet another exfoliating product. I mean, it's a light exfoliating product, but I like it nonetheless. Now, I absolutely love this specific one, the Tahitian Vanilla Bean, because it leaves this beautiful fragrance on the skin that will last and lingers, and I love that. Oh my gosh, y'all, when I say it is a pleasure. Now, as you can see, I'm like taking it out the jar and putting it on my skin. I like to take out the amount I'm going to use for my whole body and then close the jar, so that's why I do it that way. And then once again, I just hit the whole area, focusing on the problem areas, maybe the elbows and the knees. Y'all, one thing about me, I love being told that I'm soft and that I smell good. So I'm going to focus on those things, okay? Make sure, you know, you get them cheeks, okay? When they cut the cheek, when they hold the cheek, they gonna want to be soft. You know what I'm saying? They gonna want to be soft. Big purr. Oh my God, this video is so embarrassing. Why am I like this? Oh my God. But yeah, definitely a fan of the Treehut body scrubs. And y'all see my shower, real girl shower, okay? I could have made it pretty, but I was like, this is what it looks like. This is what it really looks like, okay? I have 15 million products in there, and it's just, it is what it is. Now, I'm gonna clean my Cuda cat. I'm not gonna show y'all, but this is what I use. The Lume body wash, it's safe for the private area. Absolutely love, 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 love Lume body wash. For the cooter, okay? I went in with my electric razor to shave the cat. Y'all ain't need to see that either. I tried the EOS shaving cream there, didn't like it, but it worked well on the legs and the armpits. I really liked that. I usually wax my armpits, but I was in a time crunch and I just wanted to get all the hair off. And so I used a brand new razor. I'm using the Harry's, I believe it's called, razor from Target. And so far it's been a really pleasant experience. I like it. I kind of wish it had a thicker stick thingy to make it a little easier to grip in the shower, because it is a men's razor, so I'm guessing they're assuming it's going to be used outside the shower, so that would make it better. But other than that, great experience. Now I know y'all see the cheese grater for the foot. I got it from the beauty supply store, but I'll try to find one on Amazon and link it below. Baby, get the feet. I don't know about y'all, but I'm naturally crusty, okay? So I gotta cheese grate the feet, and then I go in with this Japonesque foot scrubber thingy, and I like this to kind of smooth out the skin after using the cheese grater, because it kind of leaves the skin a little choppy, I'm not gonna lie. And then I go in with the Nivea and shower lotion. Now this is my first time trying it, and it was okay. It was okay. I kind of wanted to bring back some moisture and soothe the skin after shaving and doing all that, because child, I did a lot. This routine is a lot, okay? So like I said, so just pick and choose what you want from this. You ain't gotta be as extra as me. But yeah, so apply the in-shower lotion, bring some of that hydration back to the skin, and now we finna step out. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now, once I'm done showering, I like to go ahead and brush my teeth. I use an Oral-B electric toothbrush, and I use Sensodyne extra whitening toothpaste. Y'all, I love this toothpaste. I swear by it. It's so good. Y'all, I promise y'all, so good. Try it out for yourself. I'm gonna link it below. If you have sensitive teeth and you like fresh breath, this is the one. This is a combination that you didn't know you needed, sis. Get this toothpaste, okay? And brush your teeth. Get in the back, get on the sides, get on the... Listen, don't be killing nobody with no stained breath now, okay? Brush your teeth. Brush your tongue, all right, sis? Oral hygiene is just as important, okay? We're not trying to kill nobody with no stained breath 2022, okay? Do better. Wow, this footage is not cute at all. There's no cute way to brush your teeth, but do it anyways. I like to go in with my water flosser. I don't know if you guys can see my face, like... Honestly, this is just so fun to me, and it makes me enjoy brushing my teeth. Like, am I a child? But literally, it's so fun, but you have to be very careful because it will splash everywhere and make a mess. So you have to be very careful, be really close to the sink, and get the teeth, baby. But it's so fun. I'm really a child. Like, it's actually sad. Wow. I should be ashamed. But yeah, so after I do that, I go in with a little bit of mouthwash. Oh, all right, Jemima, get to the mouthwash. Not the narration getting before the footage. Okay, the mouthwash. Now, if y'all watch my vlog, y'all know I had a breakdown. My favorite mouthwash was discontinued by Listerine. The naturals, I don't like that. So I've been trying out this one right here. It's okay. It's not the Listerine naturals, but I'll take it. Then I go in with my skincare routine while I have the mouthwash in my mouth. And I like to multitask because it helps me to pass the time by quicker. Because nothing sucks worse than just standing there with mouthwash in your mouth, just waiting there for 30 seconds. Like, I don't have time for that. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead with my skincare so I don't feel like I'm doing it, you know? Now I'm gonna use my Lume deodorant, and I swear by Lume, I swear it stank, but it's gonna get the job done, all right? And now this combo right here, the EOS Vanilla Cashmere Lotion and the Shea Moisture Oil, top tier, top tier. Now alone, both products are fire, but together, ooh, baby, look at the material. Oh my God, look at the material, baby. When I tell you, your skin is so soft and hydrated after this, and you smell divine. First of all, can we get into the multiple angles? Can y'all appreciate the multiple angles, okay? This video gonna be janky, but appreciate the work it took to produce this jankiness, okay? Period. Baby, get into the skin. Oh, period. Look at the shine on the leg. Oh my God. Wow. Now, after I leave the bathroom, child, I just threw this on the bed because YouTube won't play with me, okay? If y'all really want to see something that I would actually wear, go back and watch my Amazon adult PJ video. So y'all can see what I would really wear. But I just wore this because that's the only appropriate thing I have that's cute for this video. This O'Keeffe's foot cream, baby, I'm telling you, I told y'all I'm naturally crusty, all right? This is why I work so hard to hydrate and moisturize my body. I was born crusty out the womb. My feet, I hate to say it, my feet be crusty. But when I put this cream on my foot, baby, I'll be dragging my foot all over your leg. All over your leg. Like, you'll get your foot massage and all that, baby, because my feet gonna be soft like a baby's booty, period. I'm gonna top it off with some perfume. And if you guys can tell, all the fragrances that I use and all the products all had a theme. They're like vanilla, coconutty oriented. So I wanted to top it off with Angel Share, just to add a little depth to it, okay? Add it to my pressure points, added it to the places that's gonna be by his head. Listen, listen. Then you just set the mood, the lamp. Period, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Toodles.